If you ask females what sort of man they like, they will typically state, tall. If I were to ask you what makes a person high, what height would he have to be, you will more than likely say what? 6 foot or more, right? You'll probably say that the man has to be 6 foot or taller. To utilize America, for example, 14.5% of the men in America are 6 foot or taller, leaving 85.5% of guys being less than 6 foot. Now, let's have an appearance at the typical height of males per nation in a number of countries, so you can see that it's practically the very same in many nations around the world. 731 meters. United States, 1,763. Australia, 1,748. Norway, 1,824. Spain, 178. South Africa, 169. Ghana in Africa, 1,695. UK, 177. Iceland, 1,798. Those numbers are for guys who are 18 years of age or older, so it includes older guys who are typically a bit shorter than they were when they were younger males. 5% of the male population are taller than 6 foot. If you look at the average heights of other countries, you'll see that it's practically the same as the US, so you can assume that the very same applies to pretty much every other nation out there. In nations like Norway, where the males are taller, there will be a greater portion of males who are 6 feet and above, but generally speaking all over the world, the majority of people are not 6 foot. So, how can you attract ladies if you're not tall, if you're not 6 foot or greater? The way that it works is that when a lady is asked what sort of male she likes and she states, tall, what she's truly stating, most of the times is, I want a guy who makes me feel safe. A high man triggers her instinctive need to feel safe around a guy, so a guy can protect her. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.